Well, it's day 13. Day 13, everyone. Day 13 and the cup of doom. I mean, it's not going to go well, is it? And there goes the dog. Bye, Billy. Enjoy. Right, okay, let's get this done. Let's get this done. What's 13 got for me? I'm drawn to this one. It's lined. I don't know what that means. Oh, gold. Right, that's a lot. That's a lot of words. It's a lot of words. Should I look at it first? Because there's a chance. Stop moving, phone. There's a chance it's rude. Oh, well, I'll just edit it out. Right, okay. The Kevin. The Kevin Cinematic Universe. KCV. Right. They're taking the what's it, they really are. Okay. I'm doing that. Hi, Billy. Okay, so this is from my son, by the way. This is obviously because such a good drawing. This is CallMeKevin, who's a YouTuber and is awesome, and you should all follow him. Why you'd be seeing this before you'd see one of his videos, I don't know. I mean, he's like a proper YouTuber, and I'm sitting there faffing about. But anyway, if by chance you don't know CallMeKevin, go follow CallMeKevin, because he's really funny, and we are a Kevin household. We all love ourselves a bit of Kevin. So basically, this is the Kevin the Marvel universe. This is Kevin's universe, and Kevin is God, basically. You know, like he's a gamer, and you know, you're playing games and telling these little characters what to do, so you are essentially their God. But I was very careful with the eyebrows. He's got very sensitive eyebrows, as Kevin. So I wanted to make sure I got his eyebrows. I think they're okay. You know, that kind of lilting eyebrow. Am I alone with this on recognising different types of eyebrows? I don't know. But anyway, this is Kevin. This is a picture. I think it's quite a well-known picture of him. Just it's not. It's okay. I think you can tell it's a person. We'll leave it at that. But basically, he's you know, doing that with his hand and smiling and stuff. I really tried with the hair. I wanted to make sure the hair was gonna go in the right direction. I really tried to, you know, it's difficult on a photo to figure out. I don't get short hair. I have long hair. And it's like, which direction is the hair going in? And looking at it, it didn't help. So hopefully he's got this sort of, I don't know, short at the sides and swoopy at the front. I don't know. But that's what I was aiming for, this kind of swoopy hairstyle. If by chance Kevin ever watches this, I do apologise. You're a lovely looking bloke. Lovely looking. He's got a lovely face, as our Kevin. Whether I do a lovely face is you know, debatable. But anyway, I did my best. But yeah, so story-wise, bing. I don't know. What I was thinking was, obviously he's the Kevin, he's God. So she's walking along just sort of daydreaming and thinking as little Edmund has his you know, afternoon snooze or evening snooze, I guess they are now. And she's just thinking about how sometimes she feels like her life, somebody else is in control, and it's like she's in a video game, and she's just, does anybody else have this feeling like somebody is just taking the pee with the whole thing? Just the whole thing is like, oh, come on now. Come on. Because bless him, Kevin doesn't necessarily always play the games like normal. You know, he some of his characters, you know, he plays The Sims and there will be death. There just will be. And good old Jim Pickens. Well, my son may have a Jim Pickens plushie, so keeping him company right now. So that's terrifying. But yeah, this is the stage where I'm thinking, why am I using this blinking micron, which is tiny, when I have a black a black Copic, so I swapped. But anyway, back to Kevin and the story. Yes, so basically she's just having this sort of thought daydream as she's walking along, not knowing where she's going or what's happening, that basically Kevin has got hold of her life and is playing her in not necessarily the most serious of ways. Love me some Kevin, but yeah. So that's all I could think of. Kevin is just, she imagines seeing Kevin sort of in the sky, just doing this, like, hey to her. Yeah. Comments down below. Does anybody else think that we're just like in this huge computer game and people are taking the pee? Because sometimes I do. I really do. I mean, blimey. Anyway, I did it. I decided just black and white and grey. I'm trying to do his teeth. How do you do mouths? I don't know. This'll do. That's the best as I can do. He's not as smiley or sort of hey as he is in the photo, but I did my best. And I'm trying to do his cheekbones. He's got quite, a defined face, has Kevin. That was a compliment, Kevin. If you happen to see this, I'm so sorry. I tried my best. I really did. But yes, these are my attempt at defined cheekbones. I decided to do, just my normal sort of circle around them just to get a bit of colour in. And I did actually. I texted. I tweeted him pathetically, say, hello, what's your favourite colour? And yeah, I don't know. He hasn't answered back. But then I googled it. What's CallMeKevin's favourite colour? And apparently it's green. I don't know, that's true, but the internet told me, so I do the circle in green. I hope it is to your satisfaction, Kevin. But yeah, that is basically what I've ended up with. Thanks, Callan. That was stop giving me people to draw. I don't do people. Okay. I'm trying my best, especially people who might, be offended. But yeah, the hand. Again, I'm trying to do it so it's sort of a foreshortening where the index finger is sort of coming towards you. I did that shadow there, like, I don't know. I'm still trying to work all this stuff out, but that's what I'm aiming for. He doesn't have a really short index finger. That's coming towards you. Anyway, just doing a bit of jelly roll here, giving it a bit of oomph. Basically, he's in this picture. He's wearing like a hoodie and a leather jacket over the top. So I'm trying to figure out where would, like, I don't know, a shiny bit be on the leather jacket, and just the odd little shiny bit here and there. I don't know. And then I try and do a zip, because this is a zip here. You can't really see it on this, but it's got little teeth in it. That was my plan. I planned it. And there is the green circle. I hope it's an okay shade. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. Sorry to Kevin. Tried my best. But yeah, there. Okay. Anyway, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you tomorrow for whatever the little buggers have in store for me then. I knew they were giggling. But geez, come on. So stop with the people, please. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye.